How to create an EasyPaisa account on Zong. If you want to create EasyPaisa account without Zong or on Zong, it's very simple to do so. So to create an EasyPaisa account on Zong, you have to simply dial a USSD code. The USSD code is asterisk 2262 hash. I repeat, asterisk 2262 hash. So when you dial this USSD code, you can enter your CNIC number and date of issuance, then create and confirm a 5-digit PIN. This process allows you to register any mobile number, including Zong, for EasyPaisa. You only have one EasyPaisa account per a certain mobile number. This way you can create EasyPaisa account on Zong. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.